Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. The year is starting to wind down, so why shouldn't we do the same? We'll hear from our own Vincent Valvo and his poetic moments in mortgage. But first, I had the opportunity to sit down with LaDonna Lockard from Mortgage Educators and Compliance about how LOs might be messing up their careers without even knowing. And as the new year approaches, it's best to start out on a clean slate. Check out what she has to say.
The biggest thing that I think we're going to see coming up just based on the market is how bankruptcies, foreclosures, liens start to affect people's licenses.
Rules are meant to be broken, right? Well, that's not the case when it comes to the role of a loan officer. LaDonna Lockard from Mortgage Educators and Compliance says it's easy to accidentally put your career on the line. For example, reporting financial changes.
Keeping the state on top of those major financial changes. If there's a tax lien, if you get a judgment, if you have to file for bankruptcy, the state should absolutely find out from you first.
Lockard says it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to compliance. For the NMLS and other regulatory agencies, sharing is caring when it comes to disclosures.
So many people get nervous because they feel like they're raising a red flag on themselves. But I always tell them, if the state finds it and you don't tell them, they're going to come down significantly harder on you.
But in this industry, reputation precedes. And once you're slapped with a regulatory charge, employers take notice.
If I see an enforcement action on them, of course I'm going to click on it, and you can read everything on the NMLS.
To read more about avoiding compliance and career mishaps, head on over to nmpmag.com. Reporting for The Interest, I'm Sarah Wolak.
Angel AI is revolutionizing the home financing process. Here to tell us about it is Pavan Agarwal, the CEO of Celigence, the company behind this new amazing app. Tell us how Angel AI is helping the home financing process.
We use empathetic AI technology so Angel AI understands the emotions behind human inputs so that the application to approval to close of a mortgage is nearly free of human touch and free of human error and is lightning fast compared to the manual standards of the real estate industry today.
What about the people who have found it hard to get a mortgage?
Angel AI has made the approval process for mortgages fair and transparent such that we have cut the decline rates for minority communities by half relative to the national average. Just go to angelai.com or click the Ask Angel AI Now button and ask Angel AI your home finance questions, or simply ask her to send you one of these cool free t-shirts. Angel AI has transferred the home financing business and made it fairer and easier for everyone.
There once was an investor so bold, who sought fix and flip loans, we're told. With houses in need, he'd fix them with speed, then sold them for pots full of gold.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.